This video explains the steps to printing on the CL-E30X series using label media. We will explain how to set the paper, adjust the sensor position, and calibrate the sensor. Finally, we will perform a functionality check. In this video, we will use media with a gap between the labels. Please check your media. First, press the buttons on the sides to open the top cover. Insert the media bar through the core of the media roll, and then install the media bar guide. The media bar is designed to accommodate both 1-inch and 1.5-inch media roll cores by flipping it over. It has markings indicating which side supports the different core sizes. Select the orientation according to the size of the media roll core. Load the media so that the guide is on the right side of the roll when viewed from the front of the printer. Slide the media until it touches the left side and position the guide against the media accordingly. Note that if the media holder guide is positioned too tightly against the media roll, it will not feed properly and print quality may be affected. Slide the head balance adjustment slider along the media size so that the position of the notch in the slider matches the media width. In this video, the media width is 4 inches, so we will slide it to match the 4-inch setting. Next, adjust the sensor position. Move the bottom sensor to the position where the media passes through. When you move it, unlock the bottom sensor using a pen or similar object. Attempting to move the sensor while still locked may damage it. For this demonstration, we will move the bottom sensor to the position of the triangle mark on the right side. Once the position is set, lock the bottom sensor. The upper sensor needs to be aligned with the bottom sensor. Move the upper sensor to the position of the triangle on the right side as well. The bottom sensor and upper sensor must be aligned with each other. If needed, move the bottom sensor and upper sensor by the same number of steps when moving them from the position of the triangle. Next, adjust the sensor according to the media being used. This time, we will perform the settings using only the printer. But there is also an easy way to configure the settings using the utility software. It can be downloaded from Citizen's website. Peel a label and set the media so that only the backing paper reaches the platen roller and bottom sensor. If the media has black lines, do not set the media so that a black line is between the sensors. With the left media guide positioned against the media, align the right media guide with the media. Excessive pressure from the right media guide can lead to improper media feeding and may affect the print quality. If your model has an integrated cutter, insert the media through the cutter slit. Position the media about 10 mm from the front of the printer. Close the top cover. Press the push marks on the left and right sides of the top cover and make sure it locks securely. If the top cover is not locked securely, it may cause print errors, paper jams, and malfunctions. Connect the cable connector of the AC adapter to the power connector. Connect the power cord to the AC adapter. Connect the plug to the outlet. If your model has an AC adapter storage case, insert the plug into the AC port. Turn on the printer while pressing and holding the feed key to start it in special function mode. The buzzer emits 3 short tones and the status LED flashes alternately in green and red. Press the feed key once. The buzzer emits 1 short tone, and the status LED flashes in green. Press and hold the feed key for at least 3 seconds. Release the feed key once the buzzer emits a long tone. And then press the feed key again. The printer is now in sensor adjustment mode. Press the feed key to toggle between the label detection sensor and the black mark detection sensor. Select the label detection sensor. Press and hold the feed key for at least 3 seconds. Release the feed key once the buzzer emits a long tone, and then the sensor adjustment process starts. Once the sensors have been adjusted, the buzzer emits one short tone. If sensor adjustment fails, the buzzer emits one long tone. If this happens, check the positions of the sensors and media. To save and complete the sensor adjustment, press and hold the feed key for at least 3 seconds. The buzzer emits 4 short tones, and the printer will restart. Finally, check the operation. Turn off the printer once. Turn on the printer while pressing and holding the feed key to start it in special function mode. The buzzer emits 3 short tones, and the status LED flashes alternately in green and red. Press the feed key twice. The buzzer emits 2 short tones, and the status LED flashes quickly in green. Press and hold the feed key for at least 3 seconds. Release the feed key once the buzzer emits a long tone. The printer is now in test print mode. Press the feed key to toggle between label media and continuous media. Select label media. Press and hold the feed key for at least 3 seconds. Release the feed key once the buzzer emits a long tone. Once the test sample has been printed, turn the printer off and then on to reset it to normal startup mode. This concludes the video on how to print using label media with the CL-E30X series.